Hi there, fifth graders. We are going to fold this long sheet of paper into 12 different sections. So the first thing you're going to do is fold it vertically into fourths. Vertically into fourths this way, okay? And then if you take it, we're going to fold it into thirds. So if you remember, that's when we do the E or the G, however you want to do it. And then you're going to fold it into halves. So I'm going to do that again. So we have a long sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it into fourths. So half hot dog style. See, hot dog. And then hot dog again, so that you have your fourths. Okay, fourths. I'm not unfolding it yet. And then if I take it and I think about it being an E or a G, it's going to go into thirds. That's my thirds, and I'm going to push it down. And when I push it down, and then I can fold that into halves. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay. This is my halves. Okay. When I open it all the way back up, I will have 12 different sections, and this is where your task cards are going to go. So I have task 1 and my picture, task 2 and my picture, 3 picture, 4 picture, all the way down. Good luck. So if you see right here, then I added task 1, task 2, task 3. Now, if you wanted to, you could go task 1 and put your picture here, task 2, put your picture here, task 3, put your picture there, and task 4, and put your picture there. That's up to you. So that's why I drew my little arrow showing you that this is my picture, this is my picture. Or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then put your pictures next to it. Just draw your arrow so that we know where your task card's going. Don't forget to put your name on your picture. Have fun.